Ngapain repot-repot? Sekarang ada madu gurah ANH, terbuat dari bahan-bahan pilihan. Insya Allah membantu meredakan batuk dan melegakan tenggorokan.
You're the reason my life's worth living. You're the reason I'm alive. I'd be lost without you. You're the reason that I
Madu gurah ANH, batuk reda, nafas lega.
You're my reverie.